Are you wondering where online income is headed? In this video, I'll share with you the top 5 reasons why digital marketing is the future of online income and how you can start taking advantage of it. By the end of this video, you're going to understand why digital marketing is dominating the online income industry and how you can be a part of that and position yourself for success within this industry. I'm part of a community where all of us are focused on using digital marketing to build our income, and this has really changed my life. So I want to share with you the benefits and how you can grow within this industry as well. I'm here to show you why it's the key to lasting financial success. And if you're ready to find out more information, check out my link below and I will send you a free PDF guide that walks you through this step by step. Let's get into these points. So the first aspect of it is that digital marketing is a global business. So it doesn't matter where you live in the world. If you have a product to sell, a digital product to sell, whether you create it yourself or you find one that's already created that you can, sell and make 100% profit off of, and you have a customer base, who you want to help with this product, and a way to take payment, you can do this in any part of the world. So whether you are in the United States, there's people in my community that are in South Africa, Canada, it's global. That's one of the most amazing things with this industry, is that it isn't just specific to one area. The second thing is there is a low startup cost. So it's really beginner friendly. It's low startup cost, easy to get started, doesn't take a lot of time. You don't need monthly expenses because you have no inventory to hold on to. It's something that's created once. You get it once, you pay for it to get the rights to sell it once, whichever way you choose to go. And then it's 100% profit every time after that. So it's really different than, any other traditional type of business where you have to worry about holding inventory and whether or not you're going to sell that inventory and make a profit off of it. The next thing is that it's automation friendly. So with being in a digital world, we can create an automated funnel system where you build it once, might take you a day, 2 days, or have someone build it for you, and you get this all set up and ready to go, and then it works for you 24/7 in the background while you're doing the things you love. So it really gives you the opportunity to have that true time freedom. So the next thing that makes digital marketing amazing is that there is a lot of room to scale this. So once you get your system set up, you get your automation set up, your product is created or you've obtained your product, and you get traction and build a community, then from there you can scale and you can grow. And as you make more money, you can hire on people to do the things that you don't want to do. To be able to spread yourself further out and get further reach on, let's say, different social media platforms, or doing advertisements at some point to scale, adding on additional products that, might benefit it, or other affiliate, type products that might supplement whatever your main product is that you sell. It's really, the options are endless once you get the system up and running. And really the fifth and most important reason is that the digital world is where we're going as a society. Everyone's taking to digital products versus paper products, right? So it's like most things, if you think about now, you get a bill from someone and it's they're emailing it to you versus printing it out, and having these options. We've got now digital books, instead of, you don't have to buy a hardcover paperback book, you can get it digitally or audibly. So it really is the way that the world is moving. And so now's the time to take advantage of that and get involved within this industry before you get left behind. Excited to get started in the digital marketing industry? Make sure you click the link in my description and grab that free PDF that will walk you through a blueprint of how this is done and be sure and check out the next video with more tips on the digital marketing world.